It's foggy. I bet you it's really foggy outside of the city. It's not usually this foggy inside the city. Oh well, either way, I'm on my way to see Dr. Mike because I did something to my back this morning. I just kind of squatted and put something out in my back. So let's go see Dr. Mike and see if he can fix me. I gotta get that mount in here. This is the village on a Saturday morning, I guess. Pretty busy. Sore back. Well, coming back from the chiropractor. I'm supposed to be at the yacht club right now. I feel kind of bad that I'm not there. But I guess you gotta look after yourself first, eh? So I'm gonna take a painkiller and hop in the other car because there's tools in it, and we'll head off to the yacht club. Isn't that better? Camera mount on the windscreen. So I'm on my way to the yacht club now. Gonna help, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll help with something or other. I feel bad if I don't go because I want to be there to help. Just wanted to get a shot of the fog. This is what the fog's like. Out at Fanshawe anyways. It's foggy throughout the town, or the city. It's just you can't see very far because of the city and the fog. But I'd say you can't see more than 150 meters. It's tough to tell how the lake level with the fog. Well, this is kind of eerie. It's the yacht club cleanup day. We've got a groundhog. A groundhog. All these boats here. I wonder if they emailed and changed the time or the date. Because there ain't nobody here. There's the cleanup groundhog. He's in charge of cleaning up the weeds. Okay. Well, let's go for a little walk around here. See what's what. I'm not prepared today to take my McGregor. Apparently I've got the dates wrong. It's the 13th. How's it going, Spotty? Keep up the good work. Let's go down to the main dock. I scared that big bird. It's kind of foggy here. You can see, or you can't see. Yeah, look at how pretty this is. This is the best thing about blue-green algae is the pretty colors it is. What a mess. The water's nice and still. No wind. It's just like a race night or a regatta. Could be in the East Coast right now. One of the reasons I came down was to check to see that the tires and the carpet was removed here. And they are. They're up in the woods, the tires. The carpet, they take and throw it in the dumpster. We get new carpet every year. Well, I guess that's that. We'll be here next weekend. Oh well. It's nice to go for a drive and come out to the club. Well, we started off making some pretty ugly stitches. But I've got it fixed up now. I think I sewed one pass with it working properly. So I'm going to try a couple more. I'm sewing my shop racks together. Yeah, let's give it a go and see how this works now. Fold this over once. Trying a different bobbin tension now. I think I've ruined a perfectly good shop rag. I'll get Jasmine to pull all the thread out of that for me. I don't know if it's doing that because the bobbin's too tight or too loose. It was really way tight before. The top stitches look fine. Maybe. It's not too loose. The top one's too loose. Now how do I tighten that? Other than this little dial. So this machine's set up that it can take 2 needles and sew with 2 things of the same needles at the same time. Hence this. There's a maybe it doesn't have to do that. I have this going through that hole, going over, going down, and then up. I wonder if it doesn't have to do that. I wonder if that's just set up to separate them. So they go around here. There's 2 discs. Oh, feel how loose that is. That's it. There's our problem. Let's figure that out. Well, this isn't supposed to be so loose. Let's see if we can take that apart. Imagine. I need a screwdriver. Gotta go online and see what's up with this. As I remove this screw, this spring winds in, and when I return it, it doesn't come back out. So I think I've just buggered a spring, and well, obviously something's wrong with it, so maybe the spring's been broken. But I'm going to get online and see what I can do, or how this comes apart, just to make sure that if I unscrew it, it's not going to hurt it. Shouldn't. Really shouldn't. Could never be a good sign. Taken apart our tensioner, and you know what? I wonder why that is like that. That's still loose. Shouldn't be loose. Well, I bent her spring, but I've kind of fixed it. It'll work. I'll try it again. Okay, we've got it back together. Only a few sewing machine skid marks on the test piece. Let's see, forward. No, don't touch.
Is it working? It's tighter. Go.
It was looser. I just tightened it a bit. Let's see. The top part is still loose. It should be pulling that tighter. I think, anyways. I think I'm probably going to have to watch a video or 2 about this machine and find adjustments to it. We've got it. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what I was hoping to see. Look at that. That is great. That's where I did my locking stitches. Fixed it! Hooray! Okay, Jazzy, it's fixed. So, let's see. Let's see what it sews through now. Let's see if we can wreck it now. So these are 2 shop towels that I've sewn together in 1, 2, 3, 6 layers, and I think 6 layers. So this is 12 layers. Take 382. I'm keeping count. Oh. Nice. It's 12 layers. 24. I think it'll do it. Tough to get it under the presser foot. Might have a hard time with this. Where are my safety glasses? You know what? I'm not going to do this without safety glasses. But that's great. This is sewing correctly now. Look at that. That is nice. Perfect. Jazzy, we've got a working sewing machine. I didn't have to go and buy parts to replace the ones I broke because I fixed them. Cool. I'm not going to sew this one off because I want to use it. You know, waste not, want not. It is supper time, and I have made a family classic. We call it staff dinner, which is noodles, fresh garlic, butter, salt. Working in the restaurant industry, that's what you get. The absolute cheapest they can make. Sit down and eat, Jess. We're gonna walk.
Why? Get in shape for soccer. Go. Why?
We've had enough of you. Go.
Why?
Well, we made it back. We got ice cream. We were just gonna go for a walk, but the grocery store is only 4 blocks, so ice cream's on sale. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Please click the clicky things, and before you go taking apart your sewing machine, go onto YouTube and type in, you know, whatever your model is and whatever part you want to fix. So I started taking apart mine based on how I did it with my Singer, and that wrecked my tensioner spring. So had I known that how to do it, I wouldn't have wrecked it. Oh well, you live and learn. You know what to do.